While still on this tutorial on how you can download the posts or articles from expired domain and use on your own blog. So here, before we go, we need to download and install Bitnami WordPress in case if you don't have a WordPress to enable us continue. Bitnami is free, you don't need to pay anything. And remember, this post you can use it on both WordPress, blog, or any site at all. Welcome to this lectures. Let me show you how you can download Bitnami WordPress, which you can use and install a WordPress on your local host, that is your local machine on your computer. Normally WordPress is supposed to be installed on the server, hosted server. So what you're going to do is click on install WordPress, download WordPress, Bitnami Press. Go, you see it here already. For Windows and Mac is selected here. So scroll down, download for Windows 64-bit, download for Windows, OS, VM 64-bit, and Linux 64-bit. So we'll click here. If you are using Windows, we'll click here. If you are using Mac, this Mac, and then click here for that. So click on this. Good. Look at what you're faced with. So before you download, you need to sign up. So either you sign in with your Google account, or sign in with your GitHub, or sign in with your Microsoft. They say, are you looking for Yahoo or Facebook sign in? You can click here. Or sign in with existing Bitnami accounts. If you don't have accounts, you create one here. So I have accounts. I'm going to sign in with my account and start downloading. So that's how it's done. And I click on downloading. What we're going to do here is we're going to create a WordPress website. Instead of using domain name and hosting it on a server, we're going to host it on our PC. That's our own computer. The limitation here is that apart from it's being used for education purposes, once your PC is not connected to internet, another person will not be able to open your website. We're using this for education purposes so that you learn how you can install a WordPress in your normal hosting website server or hosting cloud. Remember, a website, unlike a WordPress, unlike Blogspot, Blogger, you have to pay. You have to pay for hosting, and you have to pay for domain as well. And funny enough, some plugins are paid. So it has finished downloading. Let me install the Bitnami WordPress on my computer. I'll click next. So WordPress and the PHP admin. I don't need PHP admin for now. What I need is WordPress. I'll click next. This is the folder where it's going to be located. I'll click next. We'll say you should choose your name, username, email address, and password. So I'm going to choose a stock, so use your own username please, don't use mine. I'll put your array Gmail address because they might send you a message. You can leave login as user or you put admin. You enter password. Once you are working with a website, make sure you have your pen and your jotter by your side so that you can be jotting some things, because the PC can crash or something else will happen, then you fall back on what you have jotted. Because one day I lost my Gmail address that contains a website just because of this. You say login must not have a capital letter. Okay. Good. Then you name your blog. You click next. Do not want to configure. No, don't want that for now. So he's saying that he will launch WordPress cloud with Bitnami. This is the beauty of technology. Once you know what you're doing, it will look easy. I'll click next, then allow it to install. I will continue. So wait for installation to complete before we continue with our work. Fast forward the installation, so it will take a little bit time from your end depending on your PC and also your internet or other factors. It's configuring the database. Good. Please allow access. I need to allow access on firewall. You have to allow access, otherwise it will not work on your machine. When you hear machine here, machine means computer. Maybe personal computer, Mac or whatever, just machine or your PC. It's at 5% now. so soon be true. So we can click finish, then go to C and locate where Vietnam is saved. This is it here. Then we'll go to manager Windows and open it. Then go to application, then start server, because server must start running. Server must start running before WordPress will work. So we're starting server on our computer. So I'm starting server here. Good. This is our Vietnam press hosted on local host on our computer. Now click and access WordPress. That WordPress on host. This is it. Boom. We just succeeded in hosting WordPress on our computer. So this is it. Good. This is a hello world. The first post you see now on a new WordPress. So the next thing we're going to do, let's access the dashboard. The same way you access a normal WordPress dashboard, by adding WordPress /login. So this is it here. Let's log in. Wow, this is our WordPress hosted on our machine, on our PC. The dashboard of it. So we can go ahead and do installation, write post, change a theme, and do other customization, just like normal WordPress. So the essence of doing this so that you can use it and learn and be comfortable and conversant with WordPress, so that when you are going online, then it won't be a new thing to you again. This is a nice tutorial here, and you can see you're able to achieve this. So we navigate to other things, see what it comes with. This is everything a normal WordPress has. It will come with some extra plugin. Thank you.